that's sweated in nice.
Yep.
I'll go to the back side, sweat the back side.
Come around.
Yeah, come around here, you can see me. There you go, Tom, and then just stitch it in after that. Just turn the iron down a little bit. Just got to make sure you maintain decent heat. Stitch it over. Anything you get just like them little stragglers that are sitting down there, just chop them off afterwards.
Got that, nice.
There you go.
Good
Like
work.
these little things sticking out, just come by and just chop them off afterwards. Make it look easy.
You did.
It's not, you know what the biggest thing to this is?
What's that?
Is your iron. You gotta maintain a nice clean iron. Filed, you gotta make sure it's filed. You know what, I'm just gonna pull it back this way. It doesn't really matter. Since it's just a stitch, ain't gonna hurt nothing. That's it.
Awesome. Cool.
And after you're done, you take a nice wet rag, wipe it, dry it up. Try and get most of your acid off so you don't, you know what I mean?
Yep.
It's tough. Sometimes it's tough to get it super clean. That's it. Finish.